So hi children, in that previous video up to 5 questions we learned, no? So here in this video we are going to discuss the next 2 questions, okay? So let us say that what they given. If cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to A, cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to A, and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to B, and the condition alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta, okay? That things they given. Now what we need to find out? Cos 3 theta by cos theta, cos 3 theta by cos theta, that value we need to find out, okay? So let us see that. See here ma, what they given? Cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to A, and in the same way sin alpha plus sin beta which is equals to B, okay? So here first take that squaring on both sides. So cos alpha plus cos beta whole square is equal to A square, okay? And in the same way here also sin alpha plus sin beta whole square which is equals to B square, okay? Now A plus B whole square formula. So A plus B whole square means A square, which means cos square alpha plus B square cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha into cos beta which is equals to A square. So this is equation number 1. Am I clear? Next come to this one. Here A square which means sin square alpha plus B square sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha into sin beta which is equals to B square. So this is equation number 2. Okay, so here we got the 2 equations, no ma? So add that 1 and 2 equations. Add 1 and 2 equations. So while you are adding these 2 equations, here together I am writing the terms. Here sin square alpha is there, here cos square alpha is there. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha plus cos square beta sin square beta. We can write this one as cos square beta plus sin square beta, okay, plus here 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 into sin alpha sin beta which is equals to, here RHS A square plus B square. So A square plus B square. So children, here I am taking together these 2 terms. So here cos square theta plus sin square theta, and here also cos square theta plus sin square theta. So what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1 only, no? So which is equals to cos square theta plus sin square theta, again cos theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, plus here plus in these 2 terms also we are having 2 as common. Okay, so that's why take 2 as common, and the leftover terms cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So which is equals to 2 into cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta which is equals to RHS A square plus B square. Understand ma? So from this one 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 into here cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta which is equals to, this is the formula of cos A minus B. So here cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos of alpha minus beta which is equals to A square plus B square. And children, they given that, and also given that the condition, what the condition they given ma? Alpha minus beta is equal to, in that question only they given alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta. So alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta. That condition also they given in question, no? So from this one here 2 plus 2 into cos of alpha minus beta, which is equals to 2 theta, which is equals to a square plus b square. Am I clear? So from this one, 2 plus 2 into, here cos 2 theta formula. So cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos, we can write this one as 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is equals to a square plus b square. Understand? So from this one, 2 plus 2 into, here say that 2 into 2 cos square theta, which is equals to 4 cos square theta. 2 into 2 is 4 cos square theta minus, and here 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, which is equals to a square plus b square, which is equals to a square plus b square. Understand? So from this one, here plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. So 4 cos square theta is equal to a square plus b square. So this value we got here. So this is third equation. Okay, so what is the third equation ma? 4 cos square theta is equal to a square plus b square. So children, now what we have to find out? Now we need to find that cos 3 theta by cos theta. Cos 3 theta by cos theta value we need to find out. Understand? Up to now what they given, that one only we simplified. Now what they are asking, that one we are going to define. So here cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by here cos theta. That is the formula for that cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay. So from that numerator take that cos theta as common. So 4 cos square theta minus 3 whole by cos theta. So cos theta and cos theta gets cancelled. Finally here we are having 4 cos square theta minus 3. 4 cos square theta minus 3. So here we can take that 4 cos square theta. From the third equation, here 4 cos square theta minus 3 is equal to, here 4 cos square theta is equal to a square plus b square minus 3. So what is that answer ma here? A square plus b square minus 3. So that option is there or not? Say that a square plus b square minus 3. So that is the value of cos 3 theta by cos theta. Am I clear to you children? Okay. So just we have to check that which option, which formula here we have to use. Okay, understand? So let us see that next question, 7th one. So children, see that 7th question. If tan of x plus 100 degrees, which is equals to tan of x plus 50 degrees into tan x degrees by tan of x minus 50 degrees, then the least positive value of x. Okay, what value satisfies that given equation? What value of x? Okay, what is the least value? Some other values also satisfy. Okay, why? Because in the trigonometric ratios we know that at one positive angle and what negative angle also we are having same angles. Okay, so at what cases this equation, given equation will be satisfied? What is the least positive value they are asking? Okay, so let us see that. What they given ma? Tan of x plus 100 degrees, which is equals to tan of x plus 50 degrees into tan x into tan of x minus 50 degrees. Understand? This is the given one. Now I want to write this one as tan of x plus 100 degrees whole by, here tan of x minus 50, I want to take transpose here. So tan of x minus 50. Shall we write like this? Okay, which is equals to tan of x plus 50 degrees into tan x. Clear? So from this one, here tan we can write in terms of sine and cos. So in terms of sine we can write this one as sin x plus 100 by cos of x plus 100. Okay, into here we can write again sin by cos. So that reciprocal we can write, no? So cos of x minus 50 degrees by sin of x minus 50. Shall we write like this, ma? Okay, here again sin by cos. So that reciprocal cos by sin. Directly I am writing that one here. So which is equals to sin of x plus 50 degrees by cos of x plus 50 degrees into sin x by cos x. Am I clear, ma? Here there is no changes. Okay, as it is I written that one in terms of sin and cos only. Okay, so from this one, here x plus 100, x minus 50, x plus 50. So different angles there, no. So I want to take this one as let x plus 100 degrees as some a and x minus 50 degrees take this one as some b. Next x plus 50 degrees take this one some c. So ABC. Why? Because here we have to use some formulas, componendo and dividendo rules, no? So that's one, to make this one as easy, every time no need to write. So instead of that x plus 100 I taken as A and x minus 50 as B, x plus 50 different angles, see here, plus 100 minus 50 plus 50, ABC. Okay, so now this one we can write it as sin A by cos A into here cos B by sin B. Cos B by sin B, which is equals to here sin C by cos C, sin C by cos C into here no need to change this one. Why? Because in terms of x only there, no? So we can write easily sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. Understand? Now here we can use that by componendo and dividendo rule. By using componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, so by componendo and dividendo rule, what is that, ma? Componendo and dividendo rule, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Okay, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, which is equals to here also we have to apply same thing, no? So sin C sin x plus cos C into cos x whole by here sin C into sin x minus cos C into cos x. Actually what is the dividendo and componendo rule, ma? Actually here A by B is equal to C by D. So by componendo and dividendo rule, A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. Actually this is the componendo and dividendo rule. So this total term consider it as A and this is B. Now you can understand that. Okay, so see here, ma. So from this one, sin A cos B cos A sin B. So this is the formula for that, is sin of A plus B formula whole by here sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So that is the sin of A minus B formula, that is. Understand? So which is equals to here sin C sin X, which means cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is equals to cos of A minus B. So we can write this one as cos of X minus C or C minus X whole by here this one we can write it as cos A cos B. Here we can take that minus as common, no? Okay, so we can write this one as cos cos of x plus c minus cos of x plus c. Why? Because sin c sin d minus cos c cos d. Okay, which means here cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, which is equals to cos of a plus b formula actually. Okay, but here when you are multiplying with a negative sign, then we are having like this ma. Okay, so at that cases plus sin a sin b, and here minus cos a cos b. Okay, that one is there, no? So that's why here in reverse we have to write. So that's why take that minus as common. Okay, so from this one, now a plus b values we know that, right? So instead of a, what we taken? Actually a in place of x plus 100. So substitute that. Sin of a is equal to x plus 100 plus, here b is there, no? So b is equal to x minus 50. X minus 50 whole by sin of a minus b. So sin of a minus b means x plus 100 minus x plus 50, which is equals to here cos x minus c. So which is equals to cos of, here x is equal to, we taken that one as x minus 50 degrees. Yes or no? Sorry, x plus 50, no? Okay, c is equal to x plus 50. So c is equal to x plus 50. What they given here? X minus c. C is equal to cos of x minus c, at the place of c x minus 50 degrees whole by minus cos of x plus c. Okay, understand? So from this one, here sin of, here x plus x is 2x, 100 minus 50 is 50, 2x plus 50 by sin of x and x gets cancelled, and here 100 plus 50 is 150 degrees. Am I clear to you? So which is equals to, here cos of x minus x plus 50 degrees whole by, here minus cos of x plus x is 2x minus 50 degrees. Okay, so from this one, here x and minus x gets cancelled. So from this one, take that cross multiplication, sin of 2x plus 50 degrees into, so children, here say that sin of a plus b. So actually here a is equal to what we taken, a is equal to x plus 100. Once again we will write that a is equal to x plus 100, b is equal to, here we taken that b is equal to x minus 50, c is equal to x plus 50, b is equal to x minus 50, c is equal to x plus 50. Okay, so here what we got, ma? So sin of a plus b. So sin of a plus b, how we can write that? Sin of, here a is x plus 100, a plus b. So x minus 50 whole by sin of a plus b by sin of a minus b. So by sin of a minus b. So here a is equal to x plus 100 minus b is equal to minus x plus 50 degrees. Understand? Okay, a minus b, which is equals to, here it is cos of x minus c. So cos of x minus c is equal to x plus 50. C is equal to x plus 50 whole by, here we are having minus cos of x plus c, minus cos of x plus c is equal to x plus 50 degrees. Understand? Now simplify this. Any cancellations, ma? Yes. Sin of x plus x is 2x, 100 minus 50 is plus 50, 2x plus 50 by sin of plus x and minus x gets cancelled. So 100 plus 50 is sin 150 degrees. Okay, so which is equals to cos of x minus x, and here plus into minus is minus 50 degrees whole by minus cos of x plus 50 degrees. Okay, now simplify this. Plus x and minus x gets cancelled. So which is equals to sin 2x plus 50 degrees whole by sin 150 degrees, we can write this one as sin of 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. 180 minus 30 degrees, that one become as sin 150 degrees. So which is equals to cos of minus 50, again that is cos 50 degrees only, whole by here minus cos of, here x plus x is 2x plus 50. 2x plus 50 degrees. Am I clear to you? So here sin of 2x plus 50, sin of 2x plus 50 by here sin 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta means that is second quadrant only, no, 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta second quadrant, in second quadrant sign is positive. And here 180 means even multiple, no, so that's why there is no change in the trigonometric ratio. So that is sin 30 degrees, which is equals to sin 30 degrees is equal to here cos 50 by cos 50 degrees by minus cos into 2x plus 50 degrees. Okay, so here we can write this one as 1 by 2. So sin 2x plus 50 degrees into, here we can take this one as cross multiplication. So cos of 2x plus 50 degrees is equal to minus cos 50 degrees. Okay, and here whole by 1 by 2 is there. Okay, sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2 only, no, so that's why. So we can write this one as 2 sin x plus 50 degrees into cos of 2x plus 50 degrees is equal to minus cos theta. So minus cos theta, where we will get sin of 90 minus theta and sin of 270 minus theta. So sin of 90 minus theta means again we will get this one as cos 40 degrees. That value also we don't know that. Okay, so that's why here we can take that angle as sin 270 minus theta. So we can write this one as minus sin of 270 degrees minus here 50 degrees. Okay, so sin 270 minus 50 degrees means sin of 270 degrees minus 50 degrees, which is equals to minus cos 50 degrees. Okay, that's why I used this one here. Understand, minus cos theta formula. So which is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equals to sin 2 theta. Theta is here 2x, no, so 2x plus 50 degrees. 2x plus 50 degrees, sin 2 theta is equal to here sin 270 minus 50, that is sin 220 degrees. Understand? So here both sides remove that sign. So here 2 into 2 is equal to 4x plus 250 is 100 degrees is equal to 220 degrees. Just remove that sign from both sides. Okay, so from this one 4x is equal to 220 degrees minus 100 degrees, plus 100 is there, no, so that is minus 100. So 4x is equal to 120 degrees, 4 ones and here 4 30s 120. So finally what is the least positive value of x ma here? So x is equal to 30 degrees. If you take in that the least positive value, that is 30 degrees at the place of x, then that given equation satisfies. So what is the least positive value ma here? That is 30 degrees. Am I clear to you, children? So the leftover problems we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.